Welcome to Ceremony Meditation's Men's Gathering Workshop. Our purpose is to provide a safe and judgment-free environment for men to come together, to inspire each other, and to learn from each other, and in the process, to reunite men with their truest essence of masculinity. We are here to challenge ourselves to be inspired to grow further, to open up, to feel our emotions. We can really enjoy the presence of another man, and that is so healing for ourselves, for society, for women, for everyone. Become the most human that you can be, discovering the spirit, the gift, the talents, the genius of each man, and bring those out into the world. If you guys take one thing from this event, I would hope that for myself personally, that would be the beauty of being able to serve another man.